welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Yes, I know I haven't posted since last week as I was not feeling that good mentally and physically, but I am healthy and fit now, back with a bang. Hopefully this video will be a bang. Let's just pretend this video has crossed 1 million views already. I know that's a lot. For today's video, I'm going to share Indian makeup look guest list edition. As you all know, I post videos on makeup look which you can actually wear outside in real world. So let's just dive into the video. So I have already done my skincare. First, I'm going to use a primer. It's a silicone based primer, and usually for a silicone based primer you do not have to rub, you just have to pat it. Next, I'm going to use a concealer palette from Inside. As usual, all the products will be mentioned below in the description box. So I'm going to take the green color. I am loving this product. It is so pigmented and most importantly, it is so cheap. I'm just going to cover my acne mark. It's going to blend this up. So once I've done with that, so for that extra glow, I'm going to use Illuminator. I am not going to apply it all over my face, just where we apply our highlighters. I'm going to just use it right here and right here. You just have to blend it very fast because it just dries up so quickly, and then you're like, what to do next? You just have to blend higher points of my cheeks and on my nose, forehead, chin, Cupid's bow. Now my whole hand is okay. Next, I'm going to go in with my foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. I love Fit Me. It is quite reasonable. It gives you a full coverage makeup. Just gonna blend everything nicely. You know, I've realized that there are a lot of products which are really underrated. I mean, that just because one product is cheap doesn't mean it doesn't work or it doesn't works well. I believe I have really explored a lot of products which are cheap but does wonderful work, seriously, and this product is one of them. Next, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer for my under eye, just to cancel out some darkness, although I do not have a lot of dark circles, touch wood. Use it just to cancel out some darkness underneath my eyes, and just to add some brightness to the face, I'm going to use another concealer from a Swiss Beauty. Yes, this is my go-to concealer. Such a good product because of the price, obviously, but other than it actually gives a good natural look. So whatever product or makeup you use, it's very important that you blend the makeup properly. If you haven't blended the makeup nicely, there are higher chances that your makeup might look cakey. Now I'm gonna straight away jump into my eyebrows. For that, I always use Faces Canada eyebrow pencil. Although my brows are like not that bushy, if that's the correct word, I always try to post such makeup look which you guys can actually use in your real life, and for that you need your makeup to be very less. I'm taking a fluffy brush like this. I am using LA Colors and look at all these pretty shades I have right here. I'm going to use this one.
Just trying to create a base for the makeup.
Then I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm going to take black shade from another black palette. Now you have to be very careful when you're using a black eyeshadow, because it can completely ruin your makeup if you are not careful. So be careful. I'm gonna create a liner effect with this.
Make sure you cover the lash line.
And then I'm going to do a little wing line with the same brush. It will not take seconds to ruin your makeup, so be very careful with that. I'm gonna go again with the fluffy brush and blend the whole thing. We will again going to use the Q-tip hack which I've showed you in my previous video, and if you haven't watched that previous video, please go press I button and you'll find the video there. This Nykaa palette, as I am wearing quite a color in my outfit, so I'm gonna go in with this color. I'm gonna take a golden shimmer from here in my fingertips like this. Just blend everything up. Yes, with the help of a wet Q-tip, you just have to under the eyebrow bone. Yes.
Now with the help of an eyelash curler, you're gonna make sure that the claps are as close to your lids as possible. Next, I'm going to use lots and lots of mascara.
I'm just going to set my makeup. I am again going to use the concealer palette from inside. Next, I'm going to use blush. Use some highlighter. It is from Wet n Wild and it is such a beautiful highlighter. I'm just gonna pinch the brush like this. Take some highlighter and use some highlighter over here as well to give that shimmer.
So this is the final look. I hope you like this look. Please do not forget to like, share and comment and tell me how much you're gonna rate this look out of 10. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next week. Bye.